Hi, I'm Aryn.
And I'm Kelson.
And this is Aryn Kelson DIY. This is our brand new YouTube channel, and we're very excited to start making videos for you guys. We are in the process of renovating our home. We have lived here for a few years, but we're just now wanting to make it our own and do the things we want to do. So we're doing it, and we're gonna take you along for the ride. Today we are making this mantle right here. We shipped our fireplace a couple months ago.
I think a couple months ago.
Yeah, it was like a month or two ago. Before we decided to make a YouTube channel. So I'm sorry.
You don't see that process.
You don't see that process. But we are going to take this mantle from what it was when we first moved in to this. Stay tuned to see how we made this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the Aryn Kelson DIY family, and
watch us through the rest of renovating our house.
Yeah, join us on our renovation journey. It'll be fun. We would love to have you. Okay, so for this project, you will need 4 8-foot 1x6 boards. We got pine, but feel free to get any wood that you want. We also got 4 of them, and even though you only technically need 3, because we always buy an extra just in case we make a mistake. You'll also need a 6-foot 2x4. First, we're going to measure how long you want your mantle to be, then cut your 1x6s to size. Ours is 5 feet.
To make the boards fit together nicely, I ran each board through my table saw to make each side perfectly flat. If you don't have a table saw, you can skip this step. You'll just have to use wood filler or a C-clamp to manipulate the boards together. I then took some scrap pieces of wood to brace the sides of the mantle together, so that I wouldn't have any nails going through the front of the board. I use my brad nailer and an air compressor to do this, but you can use a regular hammer and nails if you don't have one. To make the end pieces, I then used scrap wood to cut it down to size so that it fit perfectly between the top and bottom boards. And then nailed it in place just as I did with the other pieces.
Now it's time to sand. Start with 80 grit sandpaper and then work your way down to 220. I'm using a palm sander. It's way faster if you use a palm sander. You're gonna hate your life if you try and sand this by hand. This can be a really tedious process, but it's worth it to make your wood nice and smooth. Also, don't be like me, wear a mask, do as I say, not as I do. After you've sanded, wipe it down with a cloth and remove any dust. Now for stain. I'm using Miniwax Stain in the color Honey, but I highly recommend testing it on a scrap piece because this came out way darker than I had anticipated. But whatever, it's fine, I still like it. Once your stain is dry, apply several coats of polyacrylic. Then you're ready for install.
We are making a floating mantle, so our supports are going to be on the inside. So first, you got to measure the interior of your mantle so that you can cut your 2x4 piece to fit perfectly inside. Mine needed to be cut to 58 7/16 inches. Then you're going to screw some scrap pieces to your 2x4 as supports for your mantle. I'm using 3-inch torque screws to attach this to the wall. I'm using a 2x4 the whole length of the space to distribute the weight evenly. Once the support is attached, slide your mantle on top of it and it should hang there perfectly.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the Aryn Kelson DIY family. The end.
Thanks.
Thanks.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Ready, action. Okay, ready? Let's try that again.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
We're so bad at this. Okay,
Well,
ready?
It is our first video. So.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi! I don't know what I'm saying right now.
Well, you could have said we're going to show you how we took it from this to this.
Should I let you do that?
No.
Do it again.
No, from this to this. There you go.
Dish to dish.
Oh,
Dish to
dish to dish. So.
Take 375.
Yeah, probably.
I think our camera's dirty. Oh my gosh. Has this been dirty the whole time? We're gonna have to refilm everything. The whole thing.
No.
Start over. Build me a new mantle.
No, just intro and outro. I'll build you a new mantle.
Beautiful. Thanks for that.
It's still got some glare to it.
Oh no.
Oh, there we go. Okay, it's out.
We got it. We got it. Do you want to talk? I talked a lot. I think it's your turn to talk.
Well, I mean, that's just our relationship. You always talk more than me. Like, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just how we are.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, can you move? Oh my gosh. No, like out of the way. Oh my gosh. I just want a good shot. Like,
bam. Yeah.
So let's get to it. And then we'll start. Do it with me. So let's
get. Which way are we going?
We
Going
go
this side?
clockwise.
Okay.
So let's get to it.
We can't even see our hands.
You can't. That was
Let's get to it.
Okay. I promise we'll get better at this.
Yep. Sure will.
Don't judge us by our first YouTube video ever, please. But anyway, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, or don't. I mean, I get it. It's fine.
You didn't have to say that.
No, we're not. We also have a TikTok. I feel so old saying that. I have a TikTok. But I do.
New thing?
It is the thing.
Okay.
That's the thing. That's why I have one.
Ah.
New clip.
Huzzah!